The SLS program office here at Marshall is a very lean organization. It's very flat. It's managed by a very good mix of managers who have early vehicle design experience as well as flight operations experience. We have people within our management team that even worked in the EVA office at JSC. So there's a really good blend of personnel and experiences that help us take SLS forward in a very affordable way as we transition from early development and design into production and flight operations in 2018. That organization has been very stable throughout the 5 years of the program. It's very flat with a level 2 function, which is the primary program, and a level 3 function, which is all of the hardware elements that manage the program. That organizational structure has remained very stable. It being lean and small, it's very agile and has a good ability to respond to issues of the day as well as make timely decisions, which was a big lesson learned coming out of some of the earlier programs. It's lean, small, agile organizations tend to respond quicker and they make more timely decisions. So that was one of the primary drivers behind the way SLS is organized at the program level. Within that, we have matrixed in, is what we call it, but for all intents and purposes, we're all embedded. It's one large program between the program people, the Chief Engineer's Office, Chief Safety Office. We're all represented in that SLS program managers as one team. So all three legs of the traditional governance model are represented in a small, lean organization. Within the SLS program structure today, all three legs of the governance model are represented. That's safety and mission assurance, engineering, technical rigor, and program, which is primarily the programmatic and management aspects of the program. Those three functions, although independent, are embedded in the organization. We share the same office space. We really live and breathe as a single team. We're involved in all the same meetings together. Every function is represented at almost every meeting that we have. So as issues boil up, things that need to be resolved, discussion points, decisions about approach, those decisions are able to get vetted and decisions made very quickly because all those players are involved from the beginning. Issues that need to be adjudicated get elevated up through control boards. We have engineering control boards. There's a safety and mission assurance equivalent. There are also programmatic boards where cost and schedule issues are decided. So there's a defined structure and path for issues to be elevated for decisions when those decisions are necessary.